I'm seeking for 73.6k pounds sterling for my company. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Dronejang, a startup which builds and repairs drones. We are coming with a new service called the AgForce to help farmers using drone-based precision agricultural technologies. The agricultural market is expected to reach $12 billion by 2024, but in Africa, the drone awareness is very low. Our service is intended to help farmers to protect their crops using drone sprayers. This tool is cost effective. It allows not only flexibility, rapidity, precision, but also improve safety by eliminating poisoning and fatal risks to the applicant. In Benin, where it all begins, there are no aerial crop spraying service running now. And our team is very unique and skilled in West African region. We got drone mechanics, we got agricultural entrepreneur, master of cutting-edge technology. We have a huge market. So, who wants to join us in this journey, making farmers happier Africa?